Hello and welcome back to Floorland. If you're looking to add some dazzle to your floors, you're in the right place because today we're diving into how to install Terrazzo flooring and why it's such a great choice. So, let's get started. Advantages of Terrazzo flooring. Terrazzo isn't just gorgeous. It's incredibly durable and long-lasting. It's perfect for high-traffic areas and is easy to maintain. Plus, its versatility and design allows for unlimited color and material mixes, making each installation unique. And did I mention it's eco-friendly? Many Terrazzo systems contain recycled materials, preparing the subfloor. First, ensure your subfloor is completely clean and free of debris. Next, check for levelness using a long level. Any uneven areas can cause the tiles to crack later on, so use a floor leveling compound if necessary, laying the cement base. Mix your cement according to the manufacturer's instructions. Spread it evenly across the floor using a trowel, aiming for a layer about ½ inch thick. This base will support your Terrazzo tiles and ensure they adhere properly. Installing Terrazzo tiles. Start from the center of the room and work your way out. Place each tile carefully, using spacers to ensure even gaps for grouting later on. Press down gently but firmly on each tile to make sure it sticks to the cement base. If you're using Terrazzo mix, pour it over the area and spread it evenly with a trowel, then allow it to cure as per the instructions. Rolling the floor. Use a heavy roller to go over the tiles. This helps to firmly bed them into the cement and remove any air pockets, ensuring a smooth, even surface. Applying sealant. Sealant not only protects your floor, but also enhances the color of the Terrazzo. Make sure the floor is completely dry before you start and use a paint roller for an even coat. Follow the sealant manufacturer's directions for the best result. Final thoughts. And there you have it. With some patience and effort, you can install beautiful Terrazzo flooring in your home. It's all about preparing properly, laying your materials carefully, and ensuring everything is level and sealed. Maintenance tips. Maintaining Terrazzo flooring is straightforward. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping with a neutral cleaner will keep it looking new. And that's how you install Terrazzo flooring. Thanks for watching today's episode on Floorland. If you love this guide, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome flooring tips and tricks. Have any questions or want to share your Terrazzo projects? Drop a comment below. See you next time.